Hello everyone, this is a lesson for Ray. Ray's a beginner guy, so it's a nice simple lesson. So all you guitar heads out there, if you watch this, I don't think you'll get nothing out of it. This is for Ray, so if you're a beginner and you want to learn something, it's cool. This is very simple beginning stuff, so here we go. So before Ray we've done, I think, simple chords E. I think we've done A, D, C and G. So today we're going to give you two more, just to keep you pushing up slowly forward. So the first one is going to be A minor. What a cool chord. It looks like this. I've got it written out for you. Here we go. So that looks like that. That's your fingering. So pause on that if you want to see where your fingers go. That's that. Good enough of that. So that's these two fingers stuck together on your third and fourth string of the second fret. It's a bit like, and it's the same shape, exactly the same shape as your E chord, but all one string down. And then your first finger goes on the second string on the first fret, like that. So if you think about your E, there's your E chord you've already done, which is one up. Move the whole thing, the whole shape, leave exactly as it is, down one string, everything down one string, like that. And that becomes A minor. So there's your A minor chord. That's your first one. So that goes nice with all those chords I just played. But if you play a C chord, which we learnt already, 1, 2 and 3, like that. And all you've got to do is move that one finger underneath this one. And they go together, obviously. You do it the other way. So that's going to get you moving between other chords. So once you learn that one, then you can move between to C, and you can move to G, to D. And that's why I played that first set of chords in the beginning. It's sort of... And you can play an E. You already learnt an E. G. We learnt a G. D we know. The next one you need, if you want to play that set of chords. The next one's quite a hard one for beginners. It's meant to be hard anyway. It's not hard if you know what you're doing. So the next one is F. And there's different... Right, so F looks like this. So this means you're holding those two strings together with one finger. So it's what we call barring. So you're barring across those two like that, and then these two come up like in a normal way with the second and third finger. So how that looks is like this. That on that piece of paper is like that. So you're barring those two, the first two strings, with one finger like that. And some people, that's the bit that people find hard to get in the beginning stages, like this, and then second fret, third string, and then fourth string, third fret. I always get that mixed up. I'm such a div. And then you play. So that's kind of like an A minor, because your A minor. If you think of your A minor chord, your first finger's on the second string, and the top string's open, and the other strings are there. But if you kind of look at that, it doesn't move that far, but that finger comes down and bars those two. So you're barring across those two, and you come up like that. I'll just show you that on the diagram again, how that looks on paper. So you can pause on that if you have to, and take a look at that. Here you go. So there's a couple of things. So once you've got that chord done, so there's your F, very important. Another way of looking at an F is an E chord. So your E chord's here. Now if you change your fingering and don't play with this finger, play it with these fingers. There's your F. So play those two, instead of doing that with your E minor, play that with those two, and then play the third string on the first fret with that middle finger here. Right, so you've got as your E chord. Then move it all up one fret, and then put the bar on, or you can put a big bar on. Later on, that's more stretching stuff, and if you're beginning stages, you're going to find that a bit tough. So make it easy first. Just do the bottom end one, just to bar those two. In the beginning, that's fine. So now you can put them all. So there's an exercise you can do with that. That's like a C chord. Play a C chord. Another way of looking at an F chord is play a C chord. Move these two down one string, and then just bar over that. So then there's an exercise there. You can go from F to C, F to C, F to C, and then you can go to your A minor, then go to your F. And then if you change your fingerings again, you get your G out of that as well. You can put these two. So the same shape is going up and down. These two are not changing shape, they're just changing strings. So the strings are here for your G. We play G like this, I showed you last time. If you change your fingerings and play it that way, with your little finger on the top, and those two, you come down as you see, there's your F. These two are just going down one string every time each. Just keep the same shape, but down one string. There's your F, C, G. How many songs are made up of that? Thousands and thousands. So let's get back to your A minor. There's a little lesson for you here. So once you've got that, them chords kind of under your fingers, practice them out a bit. Try changing from your A minor to your C, F, G. So here's a simple song that everyone kind of learns in the beginning stages. You will know it. So you start with A minor, C, D, F, A minor, C, and E. Right, so have a go at that, see how you get on. Let me know how you get on. Good luck with it. See you next time. Cheers, Ray.